Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build SEO-optimized content with SurferSEO step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your SurferSEO account. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Enter the target keyword for your content in the provided field. Select the type of content you plan to create, such as a blog post or landing page. Once your project is set up, navigate to the Content Editor. Here, you will see a recommended content outline based on your keyword. Review the suggested headings and subheadings carefully. Incorporate these headings into your writing for better structure. Next, look at the content score displayed in the editor. Your goal is to reach a score of 70 or higher for optimal SEO performance. As you write, refer to the keyword suggestions provided in the right sidebar. Add relevant keywords naturally throughout your content. Pay attention to the recommended word count and adjust your draft accordingly. Also, include images and relevant media to enhance engagement. Once you finish writing, utilize the SEO Audit feature. This tool will analyze your content and provide actionable insights. Make the suggested improvements to boost your SEO effectiveness. Finally, export your content for further editing or publish it directly. Monitor your content's performance using SurferSEO's Analytics dashboard. Regularly update your content to maintain its SEO ranking over time. By following these steps, you can create high-quality, SEO-optimized content effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.